So now you want to add an exit pop-up to your website. Well, let me show you how to do that. It's really easy. You're just going to go to the exit pop-up tab, and you're going to click add new exit pop-up. All right, so here you can give a name for your exit pop-up. I'm going to call it FHL promo because that's what it's for. All right, so here again, we're just going to go in and show you one more time the exit pop-ups, and I'll show you all these different parts. Here's somebody, he's on my website, he tries to leave, bam, he gets this exit pop-up. All right, so now I want you to notice this right here that says, hey folks, this is the header text. So I'm just going to put in, you know, where are you going so fast? All right, so that is going to be this header text right here. Now you can pick a color and you can pick a background color. All right, so this is your text color. This is your background color. All right, so you can pick your text color. You can pick your background color. You can pick that to match anything that you actually want here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go back to this page and I'm going to see if I can find some of the colors that I'm actually using here. And I'm going to, here's a color right here. Great. All right. So this is going to be my top color here. So my background color is going to be this. Oh, maybe I need to change that a little bit. So I'm going to pick this color right here. If you wanted it to be RGB, then all you'd need to do is pick your RGB from here, whatever that RGB is, and you could easily go in and find that out from the internet. In our new design, we have a better little widget here to make this a little bit better for you and a little bit easier process. So that will be coming really soon. All right, so there's your background color. I'm going to use a white as my text color. All right, now you've got this next text here, and that's going to be this text right here. All right, and I'm just going to put in here, you really don't want to miss this offer. Look what others are saying about it. All right, so now here's, well, you can go in and you can pick the background color and you can pick this text color. All right, so I'm going to leave my text color as white. And then you can pick this background color right here. And I'm also going to leave that as white. All right. Now, here you can put the sticky reviews that you actually want to show up, whatever sticky reviews that you want to show up on this exit pop-up. So this exit pop-up is going to show its own sticky reviews. So you can add that there. If you want to go ahead and add this to a campaign, you can add it to a campaign right here, right now. If not, you can always go back in and edit your campaigns and add it to a campaign later. But I do want to add it to a campaign, so I'm just going to add that right there. All right. Now, what is the color of your CTA button? All right. So you have a call to action button right here, and you can give that call to action a button. You can give that a color. So I'm going to go in and give the same color that we used just a minute ago. And what is your text color? All right, so I'm gonna put that there. And what is the link? All right, so I need to go in and get a link real quick. So let me grab this link. I'm gonna get this link right here. All right, so this is the link where the users are gonna go if they click on that button. They're gonna go right there. Select your button size, whether you want, you know, large or small. I'm just gonna go with large. And what is your text going to be? So I'm just gonna put get this crazy offer now, 12 months free. All right, because that's what I'm getting. I'm giving you away 12 months free. All right, so you guys don't need to know about my offer, but check it out. There we go. So now I'm going to save that. All right, so now that I got that saved, I should be able just to come in here, refresh this page. Okay, now I got this page refreshed. I'm looking around this page. I see my reviews. I'm like, I'm not interested. Look, as soon as I'm not interested, I try to go away. My exit pop-up pops up. It says, where are you going so fast? You really don't want to miss this offer. Look what others are saying about it. Get this crazy offer now. They just click it, bam. Now they go to my page. All right. So if you want to edit that, you can edit that at any time. You can just come back in here. You can go to edit it. And if you want to change any of the stuff, you can change any of the stuff. I'm going to change my text color to black because I like the black a little bit more. All right. So now I'm just going to save that. And I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to come back somewhere. I'm going to refresh this page again. So now I'm on this page. I'm scrolling around, trying to see why I care about this offer. And I'm like, I don't really like it. I'm going to try to leave. As soon as I try to leave, that exit pop-up pops up. It says, where are you going so fast? You really don't want to miss this offer. Look what others are saying about it. It is highlighting those best reviews, the reviews that I picked. It's highlighting those best reviews there. And it has a call to action, get this crazy offer now, 12 months free. Again, I think I'm going to come back over here. And I think I'm going to change my CTA button to be black because I like black. All right. So now I'm just going to edit that a little bit. Again, if I were to go in and click on that call to action, it's going to take me right to the link that I gave a second ago. All right. So now I'm just going to go in and reload this page one last time and show you how all this works as you're editing. As you edit it, it updates everything in real time as you edit it. There's my sticky review. I'm looking around. I'm thinking, you know, this is really an awesome offer, but I'm not interested right now. So now as soon as I try to go, bam, there's my exit pop-up. Why? Where are you going so fast? You really don't want to miss this offer. Look what others are saying about it. Oh my gosh, wow, this is the best offer I've ever seen in my life. All right, I'm sold. I'm going to get it. Now they can continue. So that's exactly how you set up your exit pop-ups, how you can add them to your campaigns. The only other thing I want to show you is I want to make sure that you know at any time you can go back to your campaigns and you can go in and actually edit your campaign, and you can turn those exit pop-ups on or off anytime you want from the actual campaign. So if you create it after you create the campaign and you didn't add it to your campaign, you can go in at any time and you can add those back to your campaigns. So now you know all about exit pop-ups, how to get those set up. And the next video, we're going to go over review links, how they work, and how to get those set up.